to do is be stuck on the side of the road next to an overheated car. Car coach Lauren Fix joins us via Skype with tips on protecting your car from the heat. And she's wearing my favorite necklace this morning with the gear shaft. Let's talk maintenance, Lawrence. Hold on. Let's talk maintenance, Lauren, about what you can do to your car to keep it off the side of the road.
Yeah, so what's the first thing you should check before you head out?
Well, if you don't know anything about cars, find an ASD certified technician. Any mechanic can go through your vehicle top to bottom, check out the coolant. Really important. We call it antifreeze in the winter, coolant in the summer. It's the same thing. The idea is if you're low on it or the rust inhibitors aren't doing what it's supposed to be, that's when cars overheat. And you see them stuck on the side of the road all the time. I mean, there's a lot of road construction, so make sure to get your tires checked. You can check your tire pressure once a month. It's super simple, saves you a ton of money. Remember, most vehicles are running on run flats right now, and because of that, they're super expensive. So check that tire pressure once a month and get the most for your money out of that. And then, of course, anything that's leaking, any check engine lights, do that before you go on the road, because if you get stuck, you know some tow truck's going to take you to a local gas station who doesn't know you, and they're going to charge you.
All right, so let's talk about gas and your fuel economy. How can you improve on that?
Well, the easiest thing and the cheapest thing you can do is check your tire pressure once a month. Match it against the number inside your driver's door. Do it in the morning when your tires are cold with a dial gauge. They're like $5. I mean, it's super simple. That's one thing you do. The other thing is maintaining your vehicle. Because when you change your oil and you use a full synthetic oil, you actually get better fuel economy, and it's a greener choice as well because you're not using crude oil. So it's something you can do that also gives you longer engine life. So all those basic maintenance things, and don't carry, as I always say, extra junk in the trunk. And I'm not talking about your diet. I'm talking about carrying around golf clubs, and you're like, well, we're not going to golf, but they've been there for 6 months. Take that extra stuff out, but make sure to leave your emergency kit in your vehicle, because people tend to take them out and they forget about it, thinking they're saving money by getting away the extra weight.
All right, so here I am driving along. My air conditioner's kind of working, but it's not. When should you go in and get that checked?
You want to get it before the weather starts to change. Yeah, the first sign of it. You certainly don't want to wait. What happens is the components, and I won't get technical, that make air conditioning work can start to leak. And the more you let it go, you're putting more basically stress on these components, and it can be expensive. And now there is a system you can buy at your local auto parts store and recharge it if it just needs a charge. But if you're really not sure, take it to a mechanic and get it done properly.
I need to know if this is a myth or not. Is it true that, like, if you turn your air off, you get better fuel? A lot of people do that, right? Like, they turn it off if they're, like, low on fuel. Is that a real thing, or is that a myth?
It's kind of a myth. If you're talking about cars from the 90s and older, sure, that makes sense. If you're talking about a brand new 2019, pick any brand, what they're doing is they're taking away the air conditioning from putting a drain on the motor because they're trying to improve fuel economy, and it's on a separate set of components. Sometimes it's electrical. So either way, the fact is that you don't have to do that anymore. And putting the windows down, especially if it's humid outside, makes hair like mine turn into a frizz fest. So you don't want to get there looking terrible either.
All right, Lauren, myth or not, turn the air conditioner on before you get to 40 miles per hour. Yes or no?
That's totally a myth.
Okay.
We need to have a show. You know what
we do need to totally do
Next time we have you on, we're going to go on all these myths because,
I know, I got a million questions.
I hadn't heard of that one.
Yeah,
Lauren.
you hadn't heard of that one?
No.
People say don't turn your air conditioning on if it's over 40 miles an hour because you put strain on the belts.
All right. Lauren.
No, not anymore.
We got to go, but thank you. We'll get you back on.